Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss questions on editing with solutions and deeper explanation that have been asked in previous years class 10th English board exams. So let's start with the passage. Question 1. The following passage has an error in each line. Identify the incorrect word and write the correction. So let's start the passage. A. Pollution is one of the biggest problem. Sentence B. It affect the health of humans. C. The government has taken many steps. And in D. To control pollution, but much needs to done. Now let's discuss the solution. Pollution is one of the biggest problem. So here the error is in problem. Why? Because according to subject verb agreement, always one of the, whenever we find one of the, it always take plural noun. So here we can find the noun is biggest problem, which is singular. So write S to make it plural. Now the next sentence. Here the effect has an error. Why? Because it is the wrong form of verb. Effect is a noun. So the verb will be affect. Now let's see the C sentence. Here we can find that after has, taking is coming. So here it has a fault because has must be followed by past participle. So it will become taken. Now the next sentence, to done. So here it will be to be done. Why it is? Because the verb is missing. To be done. Needs to be done is the correct structure. Now the second question, everyone enjoy the beauty of nature. B. Flowers are one of the most beautiful creation. C. It is important to conserve the nature. So the error here is in enjoy because it will become enjoys. Why? According to subject verb agreement, everyone always takes singular verb. Now in sentence B, here creation will become creations because plural noun required, one of the. We have done it right now that whenever one of the comes, it always takes the plural noun. Here in this sentence, the will not come. So we will have to omit the because nature is used without an article in general context. Now let's practice question 3. There is many reasons for global warming. Cutting down trees are one of the major reasons. Burning of fossil fuels create harmful gases. And sentence D, people must take steps to control it. Now the error in this sentence is here. So instead of is, are will come because subject verb agreement reasons is plural. So the verb must be are. Now in sentence B, cutting down trees are. So mistake is here. It will be is. Why? Because cutting down trees is a singular action. Let's see in sentence C, burning of fossil fuel create. So here the mistake is it will become creates because burning is singular. So verb is creates. People must take steps. So it will become take, not takes. Because incorrect verb form must is followed by the base form of verb. So whenever we see there is models, it will always take V1. Now let's see question 4. That is the following passage. A group of students was going for a picnic. B. They decide to visit the zoo first. C. It was one of the most excited moments for them. D. Everyone enjoyed and clicking photographs. Now let's see the solution. In sentence A, A group of students was. So was is wrong here. Instead of was, were will come, because according to subject verb agreement, group of students indicates plural. In second sentence, they decide to visit the zoo first. So instead of decide, decided will come. They decided to visit the zoo come, because it is tense error. Past tense needed to match the context. Because the first sentence of this passage was in the past tense. So the second one, the continuation, the whole paragraph will be in the past. See, it was one of the most excited moments for them. So here, instead of excited, exciting will come, because it is incorrect adjective. Exciting describes the moment, not the student's feeling. So instead of excited, exciting will come. Sentence D, everyone enjoyed and clicking. So instead of clicking, clicked will come, because tense consistency, past tense to match enjoyed. Because here and is connected with two verbs. So both the verbs will be of past tense, V2. Now, fifth question, go through the passage. Sports are important for everyone health. B, it keep the body active and fit. C, there is many kinds of sports one can play. Playing daily help to reduce stress. Now, solution of sentence A, sports are important for everyone health. Here, instead of everyone, everyone's. Possessive form is required. Sentence B, it keep the body active and fit. So it, after it, keeps will come, because it is singular. In sentence C, there are, because kinds is plural. There are many kinds. In sentence D, playing daily help to reduce stress. So here, instead of help, helps will come, because this sentence daily shows the daily routine or the habit. So it is sentence of simple present tense.